Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import CSV or Excel file to RemNote. So let's get straight into it. Now, you will see here in the document and folders at the top, upload and learn PDF. So click on that. Now it will open up basically the options to upload the file. So I will choose file here and then select Excel file right over here in my computer. Now what I need to do is just add source and wait a few seconds, moments that it will load up just like that. You see now that here is my Excel file, and here on the right side we have this AI agent. So what we can do now is basically we can create the flashcard from this file. So let's say I haven't learned it yet and generate learning materials. I will skip for now that, and now I need to wait a few seconds. Now you see here top 12 fragile states. So let's say click on that and generate cards just like that. And now it will start generating the cards from the Excel file. And we need to wait around few seconds. And just like that, we will have from the Excel file those flashcards which we can start learning. And as you can see now, we have here basically one question and answers. So yeah, this is how you can import your Excel CSV file in RemNote and then create also the flash cards. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the